Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James. In today's video, we're going to install the Dinan Strut tower braces. That's right, we got the BMW back. If you didn't notice, I dropped a short a couple days ago. We picked up the BMW. It looks fabulous. So I figured it's time to get back to modding this thing and throw these bad boys on. We got a couple other boxes behind, so we got more mods coming besides this. But let me flip this camera around and let's unbox this and let's throw it on the BMW. All right. All right, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, there's one of them. All right, let's see what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, that's pretty sharp. What do you think of that? Man, that's nice. Get up on that real quick. Take a quick gander at it. Man, they did a really nice job when they machined these. Well, this will be a nice addition to the BMW. All right, let's grab the other one out, see what it looks like. These are definitely sharp. All right, well, let's go out in the garage. Let's put these on. For people who like smoked meats, we're currently smoking up some pork chops for dinner tonight in the old Pit Boss. Oh yeah, still looking good. Colder intake, still looking good.
1 week later.
Well, you guys, we've made a mistake. As you can see, we made a mistake. We ordered the Dinan Strut tower braces for the M340i, not the M340i. So what does that mean for us? That means that ours came without bolts. Same strut tower braces, no bolts. So, note to self, make sure you order the right part for the right car. Anyway, it took a few days. We got our bolts, and now we can officially install them. All right, so they give you your 2 short bolts, your 2 long bolts. Everything is 13 millimeter. So we got the ratcheting wrench, we got the impact. Let's put these babies together. All right, you guys, we'll take our 1 bolt and washer, stick it in the hole, and then we'll go down to the bottom side and show you how the nut attaches. Now, there'll be no way for me to video me putting the actual nut on, but just so you can see under the shock tower here, that is our bolt hanging through. So let me put the nut on real quick. It was a bit of a pain, but we did get our first bolt on. Doesn't look too bad. Now, to put this bolt on. All right. See, people, this is not easy. They don't give you a lot of room to work with here.
We've got the smallest set of hands in there trying to work on this.
No, stay.
Well, everybody, after a lot of fighting and cussing and swearing, we officially have one of these on. I gotta tell you, it's not easy. They give you about the hardest nut that you could use on this. They are very difficult to drive the bolt through, but at least you know these are on nice and solid. And now we got to move over to the other side over here and attach this guy. So let the fun begin. All right, y'all, as you can see, I have my lovely daughter down on the floor helping me out here because it's so tight inside the shock tower. But with her help, we have officially got the next bolt in. Sorry that I'm not showing you guys us actually driving these bolts in, but it's quite difficult to run a camera and zip these bolts in.
Quite the process.
It is quite the process. It'd probably be a lot easier if you took your front tires off, but God, who wants to do that? So, all right, let's pop this guy in. Oh yeah, that's nice and tight. Shelby did a good job. Oh yeah. Well, folks, there you go. Dinan Strut tower braces installed. Oh, fun fact, you may want to push this one wiring harness you see right here. You may want to push that through the hole just so you can access this bolt. It really gets in the way down there when you're trying to do this. And we'll just pop that back through real quick like the factory had it. And there you go, everybody. Job well done. Big shout out to my wife and daughter for helping me do this project. This was definitely not a one-person job, especially filming it. Well, if you guys enjoyed us installing these strut tower braces on the M340i, give us a like, smash that subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody. Say bye, Bisque.